true power is to fear from nothing. Nothing. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, each of us has a secret place inside us, a secret door inside us that we should not open to anyone. Inside that hiding place are all our terrible things and fears and secrets that no one should really know about. Because, you know, no one cares about us but us. No one cares about us but us. Remember that. With every secret you tell someone, you are actually giving them a key to enter your hideout and trample all the alleys. Every secret is a piece of your hideout. And I don't know, you believe me or not, but people want to discover your hideout and destroy you in different ways. You know, one through fake love, one through fake friendship, one through the empty promises. Yeah, the empty promises they make. After all, you know, promises are made only to be broken one day. Promises are made only to be broken one day. So be very careful. Don't let anyone enter into your hideout, your place. Don't let anyone enter your hiding place at all. Remember this wonderland, this amazing world. You know, the place you live in has one main rule that you should always remember. Don't just don't trust anyone but yourself. Never, just don't let anyone find your hiding place and tell you're afraid. Oh God, what are you afraid of? Don't let anyone know what feeling makes you retreat. The fear that brings you to your knees. The fear that was for a past that no longer exists. Honey, dear unique, come to yourself, empower yourself. You know, others achieve imaginary power by creating fear, but true power is to fear from nothing. Nothing. Okay? Dear unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for listening and watching to my videos. Write a comment for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Focus on yourself and always remember, don't try to, because you cannot take someone else's place, and also no one can take your place too. Okay? Okay. Ashe. Amira, Rani, bye.